Hello guys, welcome to another episode of the unboxing, and today we will be unboxing a Apple Watch Nike Plus. This is my birthday gift from my wonderful wife, beautifulness over there behind the camera. So this is I haven't even seen which one it is. The silver, right? The silver one with the silver band, not the black with the green, but the silver. Here's the box. It's nice and long. Let's get right into it. There we go. So as we see, it comes in this nice black box. And there. Little booklet. It says designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. Ta-da! Instructions. More instructions. Your band. Your extra band. This is the size small band. So, cool. And then here we have the block wall charger and the cable charger. And here is the watch. This is the 42 millimeter screen. Nice and big. Is, as we said in the beginning, this is the silver with the gray and white band, which is pretty cool. And the reason I went with this one instead of the black with the green is because of my beautiful phone. The back of it is silver, and I wanted it to match, so now we have the silver watch with the silver phone. The only thing I did wish is that I don't know how it would look, but since my phone has the white front, kind of wish it would have the white front as well, but it doesn't, so we'll just have to do with the silver back, the silver casing, the silver Nike Plus wristband with the white, which is pretty cool. And that's really pretty much that's all that's inside the box. The Apple usually just gives you pretty much the bare minimum. Everything you need, no extra. So, thank you guys for watching this unboxing of the silver Apple Watch Nike Plus. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.